Okay, first things first, we want to talk about graphing a factored polynomial first, and then we'll talk about ungraphing a polynomial, which is what we really want to do. Now, just a couple words about polynomials. When you graph a polynomial that goes through a single root, it looks like this first one here. It just looks like it, well, actually, if you zoom in on it, it's going to look like a line. If it's got a double root at that point, it looks like a little parabola, which, something squared, that makes sense. If it looks like a triple root, it looks like that S-curve that x cubed looks like. Now I've got little asterisks here, which means double roots like this, but quadruple roots also look like this, and sextuple roots look like that, etc. I've got a triple root looking like this, but a quintuple root looks the same way, etc. Now, what I want to do is just go over this little polynomial I've got over here and decide what I need to do to graph it. Well, I can see it's got three roots at -1, 1, and 3. So I'm going to go over to 3 and just put a dot. Yay. And a dot at 1. Yay. And a dot at -1. Yay. Now, I usually try to start with the right-hand side and looking at the end behavior. I see that when x is really large positive, this is all positive, but this one's negative. So I know that way to the right, it's way down here. Right? So I know it's supposed to come up like this and look like a triple root. So it's got to go very, very flat and then come up like that. It's got a single root at 1, which means it's got to go up and come back down, but then it's just got to look like that. Right? And then here, it's got a double root at -1, so it's going to come up like this and look like that. And we can see that graphing a factored polynomial is really, really easy.